So I have a box here, you see, and it is filled to the top. So if you want to enter this giveaway, you guys know I got to get my glasses on because it's not brand name and it's like, what? Let me read this puppy right here. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we are going to be unboxing the Tribe Beauty Box, even though it's in a bag. This is a bi-monthly beauty / makeup subscription. It is $34.99. I do have a discount code to save you 10% off your very first box. So if you want to see what is inside of here, is it worth it? Then keep on watching. All right, so this just came in, I think, Monday. Today is Tuesday when I am filming this. And I love this subscription. I opened up the very first box that they ever had, 2 years ago, I think? I think April was one of their first boxes, if I can recall. And I really like it, and it's gotten so much better. And one thing I love about this subscription is bi-monthly, because if you're like me, I get so many, it's like, you know, kind of gets overwhelming. So let's cut this puppy open and see what is inside of here this month. This is for the August / September 2020. All right, I'm just going to take everything out. All right, so we have a card and it says August 2020, but this is the August / September. The theme for this month is Italian Summers. And then it tells you what everything is and gives you prices, which I like. All right, so I'm just going to show you the first thing that I see. So we have some brushes, and these are Luxie brushes, and I love Luxie brushes. I was introduced to the brand Luxie from Ipsy. Now they don't give what do you call it, Luxie brushes, and I miss it. All right, so this is the number 516 and number 660. All right, so let me see which is which. Okay, so this is the 660 right here. And I would use this probably for like contouring, but let's see what it says. Oh, this is a precision foundation brush and it's $23. Now, Luxie brushes have always been expensive. Like, I don't think they're worth the price, but they're really good brushes and it's good to get in a subscription box. So, all right, I would still use it for like contouring. But you guys, just because it says it's a foundation, you can use it however you want. All right, and then we have this duo fiber one. I use these type of brushes like for blush if something's very pigmented. But let's see. So this is a dual fiber powder brush. This is the number 516. And this is $25. Holy cow. I would never pay. How much? $25 and $23. That's almost $50 for two. Never in my life will I pay that. But I am glad it's in the subscription box to have because, like I said, they're really good brushes. All right, and so then we have this. It looks like some kind of skincare. So this is from Maria Ella. What is this? Oak, moss, and coconut golden oil. All right, let's see. So it's full size. You always get full size products in this box, which I like. So this, you guys know I got to get my glasses on because it's not brand name and it's like, what? Let me read this puppy right here. $36. I don't know. So it's the Jaboneria Mariella. You guys know I can't pronounce stuff. But what is this? So it's an oak moss and coconut body shimmering oil. It says a shimmering elixir that will nourish your skin with a powerful and beneficial combination of oils and give you the ultimate summer glow. Each is custom blended for you by hand in small batches at the Maria Ella soap bar in Soho, New York. Shake well before use. All right, let's see. So it does come safety seal. All right, so I got that paper. That was a bitch to open. All right, so it's a dropper. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my arm. It right now just looks like regular oil. You can see some kind of like shimmer. So let's see. And it doesn't look like shimmery or anything. It's like an oil, and it just gives you a nice sheen. Oh, I actually like this. It feels a little like oily, but I would probably put this on my legs, you know? This is really nice. It smells good. I can kind of smell the coconutty stuff, so if you don't like that smell, you may not like this, but I'll definitely probably put this on my arms, but definitely my legs. I'm really happy to get this. You can even put this in your hair, like on the ends of your hair. I don't know if I'd pay $36, but I'm probably going to keep saying that through the whole video. But like I said, that's why I like subscription boxes. So I'm really excited to try that. All right, so then we have Wander Beauty. I love Wander Beauty. I love their foundations. All right, so this is a double date lip and cheek. Now, Wander Beauty is expensive. Oh my God, I hate to see the price. $22. All right, not bad for what I was thinking, because their stuff is really expensive. This is another brand that I would never pay full price, but I'm glad it's in a subscription box. Oh, I wasn't expecting that packaging. All right, so it has two different, so you have this color, and then you would open it up. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. So it has a mirror, and then you have this. So let's read what this is. Oh, this is exciting. All right, it says a multitasking duo featuring sheer tint and clear shimmer-free balm for moisturized lips, cheeks, and eyes. I love that. Okay, so you have this thing. I'm not going to swatch it. It's cream. You can either use this as like blush, cream blush, or a tinted like lip balm. Or if you wanted I love that there's a mirror here. Hello, Anne. And or if you just want it like a clear lip balm. All right, love that. And I like how it's packed because you can put it in your pocketbook. It's easy to store. All right, I'm really excited to try this. All right, the next thing we have is this Acne Pimple Master Patch. And I don't really suffer from breakouts, but I have a 16-year-old son who is starting to get like right here and stuff. So I'm definitely going to... I mean, he's like a boy's boy, right? A man's man. I don't know how you would say it, but like he's like no to skincare, no to this. He doesn't even lotion his body up, but I'm working on him. I do have him using cleanser, thank God. So I'm going to try to get him to use this. This is $6, and it's a, what is it? It says protects wounded or troubled area from getting worse and maintains humidity of skin to prevent further breakouts. Alrighty. And last but not least, we have a palette. Usually always get some type of palettes. Now, there were two different variations you could have got. So you could have got the Nomad Cosmetics. This is the Lake Como palette, which is $27 is what I got. Or you could have got the Glam Light Cosmetics, the Caliente palette, which was $38. I'm glad I didn't get the Caliente palette because I have like 2 or 3 of them. So I'm happy to get this. So it says Nomad X Logo di Como. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right because I can't really read the prints. All right, let's open her up. Right there, that's what it looks like. Ooh, and it has a nice mirror. And those are the colors. So pretty, wow. And the mirrors are pretty nice too. All right, let's do some, it has like sailboats design on here. All right, let's do some swatches. Oh, they feel like buttery, good. Ooh, look at that green one. Look at that blue one, wow. All right, so that's just one swatch. This one here is very light, and this is like a deeper yellow. You know, it's kind of like I wish they would just have one or the other. So then we have the green and the blue. It's a little patchy. So let me go in again with the second coat. Usually these shades, they're hard to make. And it's perfect once I build it up. So I enjoy that. All right, and then the other matte is this like deep blue. Wow, that's like almost a black blue. And that's one swatch. And that's not patchy at all. All right, I'm going to get a makeup wipe and clean my hands. And let's go in with the shimmers. All right, so I'm going to swatch the shimmers. Oh, they feel good. So we have 4 shimmer shades. They're very pretty. So that's going in one time. I mean, they're not like great, but let's go in the second time. I take that back because look how pretty. So they're buildable. And I'm sure if you use like a setting spray, you know, on it, it will definitely look really nice. This is a gorgeous palette. Like, I am really excited to get this. That is gorgeous. So let's recap really quick what we got in the August/September. So you could either got this palette or the Glam Light palette. So we got the Nomad palettes. You get this mask right here to help prevent the breakouts. You get 2 Luxie brushes, which I really do like Luxie brushes. You get this beautiful oil. Now, this is not something that I would pay $36 for because I never heard of it, but I'm really excited and happy that it's in this subscription box because I can't wait to use it and put it on my legs and stuff. And you have this from Wonder Beauty. I love this so much. Like, I usually don't use like duos like cheek and lip. I'll use it one or the other, and so I'll just use this like as a lip balm, you know, and I'm really excited for that. All right, if you stayed to the end of the video, I have a little surprise for you. Let me go get it. Oh my God, this is heavy. Okay, so I have a box here, you see, and it is filled to the top. If you guys can see, it's heavy. It's got some full size, but it is mostly samples, but it has a lot of full sizes too. I mean, there's probably at least 300 pieces in here. All right, let me go put this down because this puppy's heavy. So if you don't know, I am moving and I am starting to organize my beauty room, look at things, and you don't realize how much stuff that you have. So I used to always get a lot of Target beauty boxes. I get Glossy box, Ipsy, you know, I do my Ipsy verse Ipsy, a lot of stuff in subscription boxes and things that I purchased. And I have a lot of stuff. So instead of like throwing it out or anything like that, I figured why not put it in a box and give it away. Everything in here has never been touched or swatched. There are full-size lipsticks and lipsticks that are not in a box, but it's not because I opened them. It's because a lot of times in subscription boxes, they don't come in boxes. And most of it is from Ipsy. So I didn't even like open it up to take it out to look at the color. It's never ever been opened or anything. So everything in here is new. And I'd rather give it away to one of you guys. There's some name brands. Like I said, there is I mean, at least 300 items in here. It's very heavy. So yeah, that's what I'd rather do. And so there's going to be a lot of giveaways from the end of this month and probably all next month. So make sure you have that post notification bell on so you can see when I'm going to have it, because there's going to be a lot of stuff that I'm going to be giving away. So if you want to enter this giveaway, if it's something that you're interested in, just make sure that you're subscribed because I enjoy giving back to you guys who support me. Please like this video because it really does help me out. And leave a comment and put the word sample. Sample without the S, just sample. Because what I do is I use a comment picker and I could put that word in and it will pick up all the comments that have the word sample in. So be creative. Don't say enter me sample, because then people that don't watch the video all the way through, then they'll see it and it wouldn't be fair to you guys who do watch it all the way through. I will have this open for 2 weeks, and at the end of the 2 weeks I will, you know, do the comment picker. So if you feel comfortable, please let me know how I can get a hold of you, because I know a lot of times the notifications aren't working. So yeah, let me know what you think about these giveaways. If you guys will be interested in more of things that, you know, I'm not using or that's brand new, let me know down below. Alright guys, that is everything. Let me know what you think of the Try Beauty Box. Do you get it? Do you not? Do you think it's worth it? Do you like the fact that it's bi-monthly? Let me know all the tea. And please like this video because it helps me out. It helps YouTube promote my video, the more likes that they see. If you enjoy unboxings, mystery boxes, hauls, then please consider subscribing to this channel. I would love for you to join our family. And don't forget to hit the post notification bell. Double tap it and make sure sure that it's on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. And that's everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and try to stay cool in this hot weather that we're having. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.